Okay, Bentley just did something that's going to make every car enthusiast's heart race. Imagine a Bentley Continental GT that's not only super exclusive but also rear-wheel drive for the first time ever. Intrigued? You should be, because this is a game-changer. Just announced by Bentley, they're set to reveal one of the most extreme Continental GTs ever created. And it's happening on November 14th. By the end of this video, you'll know why this new Supersports variant is turning heads everywhere. And wait until you hear what Bentley's got planned for 2026. Here's the scoop. Bentley's introducing a limited-run Continental GT Supersports with rear-wheel drive. Yes, you heard that right. This is the first time Bentley's doing this for the GT, making it a true driver's car. The Supersports badge is already legendary. But adding rear drive to the mix, that takes it to a whole new level. But here's where things get really interesting. This beast is all about performance with several unique technical features. And it's sticking with internal combustion power only. Pure excitement, as Bentley's CEO put it. Now, let's put this into context. Bentley's been diving into the plug-in hybrid world. But this Supersports model shows they're not done with internal combustion just yet. Remember the Bentayga Speed? That V8 monster became half of all Bentayga orders. So, Bentley's keeping their options wide open. And we might see more ICE-only variants soon. But here's the part that's got everyone talking. The new Supersports is more than just a car. It's a statement that Bentley's embracing both ends of the powertrain spectrum. Speaking of which, Bentley's also cooking up their first pure electric SUV. Smaller than the Bentayga, this compact luxury SUV promises agility and speed. With 100 miles of charge in less than 7 minutes. Set to hit the roads in 2027. This EV will blend the comfort of a flying spur with the thrill of a GT. So, what does this mean for the future of cars? Bentley's strategy hints at a world where high-performance internal combustion and cutting-edge electric vehicles coexist. It's a bold move. And it might just set a new trend in the luxury car market. Now, tell me, which specific detail impressed you the most? Drop a comment and let's discuss. And don't forget to hit subscribe because next week I'm breaking down another exciting automotive innovation. Stay tuned.